Setting up mobile CRM access for your sales team can boost productivity and improve real-time communication across the board. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step in under 3 minutes. This guide is perfect if you're looking for a simple, straight-to-the-point way to get your team up and running with mobile CRM access quickly. First, let's start by ensuring you have the right CRM software in place. Not all CRMs are mobile-friendly, so make sure you've chosen one that offers seamless mobile access. If you haven't picked one yet, I've tried the most popular options, and I'm recommending a CRM that provides a smooth experience for both desktop and mobile use. You can find an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. Now let's dive into the steps. The first thing you'll want to do is download the CRM app from either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, depending on your team's device preferences. Once installed, launch the app and sign in using the same credentials your sales team uses for the desktop version. This ensures they have access to all the same information just on the go. Next, you'll need to configure mobile access settings. This is important for ensuring your team can access the right data and features when they need them. In most CRMs, you'll find a mobile settings or user preferences section in the admin panel. Make sure you customize the mobile layout to prioritize the most essential tools for your sales team, like contact details, upcoming tasks, and deal stages, so they can easily stay on top of their leads and sales pipeline no matter where they are. Once you've set up the app and customized the mobile view, you'll want to enable push notifications. This allows your sales team to receive instant updates when there are important changes to their deals, customer interactions, or new tasks assigned. By keeping everyone in the loop, you'll make sure no lead or opportunity slips through the cracks. Now, let's talk about syncing data. It's crucial that all updates made on mobile devices sync in real time with your CRM's main system. Most CRMs automatically sync, but double-check the sync settings to avoid any potential data discrepancies. You'll want to ensure that any updates made while your team is on the move, whether it's logging a call or updating a deal, are immediately reflected on both mobile and desktop versions. Don't forget about security. When setting up mobile CRM access, it's essential to implement strong security measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, to protect your sensitive business data. You can find this in the security settings of most CRMs, and it's an easy step to add an extra layer of protection. To recap, here's what we covered. First, you downloaded the CRM app and signed in. Then we customized the mobile view to prioritize the tools your team needs. Enabled push notifications to keep them updated. Ensured real-time syncing for seamless data. And set up two-factor authentication for security. These steps will help get your sales team up and running with mobile CRM access quickly and securely. The key takeaway here is that mobile CRM access is a game changer for your sales team's productivity. With the right setup, they can stay connected, access important information on the go, and make updates in real time, all from their smartphones. Lastly, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we use today in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so take advantage of it and start improving your sales team's mobile CRM experience today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.